I'm going to tell you how you can make $10,000 every single month. That is nearly 7,35,000 every single month working from home. Yes, it is really possible, and I've made a bold claim, and if you stay till the end of this video, I'm exactly going to reveal to you. Is it really possible to make $10,000 or earn nearly 7 lakh every single month? That too without going to work or without going to a job, or what is that you're talking about, right? If you go to a job, if you go find a regular job, you will never be able to make that much of money because you are trading your time for money. If you are trading your time for money, that is, if you are working 8 hours a day, 30 days a month, and if you are getting paid by the end of the month, you're trading your time for money. If you do this, you will never ever be able to grow. You will never ever be able to make money. And it is not possible for those people who are working in a job. And if you want to make a lot more income in your life, you must first stop trading your time for money and you must start trading your value for money. So what value do you have now? Remember, your value for 1 hour can be $10,000. Your value for 1 hour can be 7 lakhs. It can be. It is possible. And even my mentor, he's charging, his value is way more. And for 1 hour, he can easily charge $10,000, provided he gives that results. What I'm trying to tell is, you have to start increasing your value now. So what value do you have in the market? If you don't have any value, you cannot make that much of money. The faster you're going to increase your value in the market, the faster you're going to make money. That's the ultimate secret. There is no get rich quick, or there is no magical shortcuts to become rich. The fastest way the faster you are going to increase your value in the market, the faster you're going to make money the faster you're going to really make money in your life. That's it. So how is it really possible to increase the value? That's very simple. This is where I come to the second point. You must start learning high income skills, a skill which can give you high returns. Okay, you're working in a job because you have learned some skills. You're providing your services, you're providing your skill, your knowledge, your experience, and you're getting paid. But is it a big problem? Is it like a very high in demand skill? Or are you really going to solve a big problem in the market? The bigger the problem you're going to solve, the bigger the money you're going to make. So if you want to solve big problems in the market, you must learn those skills which is high in demand in the market. What are the kind of skills that you need to learn? Okay, closing is one of the most powerful skills. If you know how to close a product or service, if you know how to close high ticket deals, you can easily make $10,000. Okay, for example, how? Let's say if you learn closing, right? If you work with any entrepreneurs, if you're working in real estate industry, if you can help a property owner sell his high ticket deal for the right customer, for the right client, you take 10% or 2%. You can easily make $10,000 or 7 lakhs every month, right? You don't need hundreds of clients. All you need is one client to achieve that goal. That's it. Have a small calculation now. Let's say you're selling a property worth 1 CR, okay, 1 crore, and you're taking 2% from it. You're making a lot more money. So how do you do it? Closing, and you're providing your services, or you're providing your value, and in return you're taking back money, right? There is Facebook advertisement, there's copywriting, funnel building, business consultation. All of this are high income skills. If you learn these skills, you can start trading your skill for money. That is, the day you leave that corporate world, the day you leave that, the day you stop trading your time for money, you will actually grow in your life. And if you want to really make a lot more money in your life, that way you can do it from your home. And if you want to build your value up in the market, and if you want to learn these high income skills which I mentioned, I have a free training where I'll exactly show you how you can actually trade skills for big money, and how you can solve big problems in the market. So the link is in the description. Go click the link, and it's an exclusive training where I'll exactly show you how you can solve big problems and how you can make $10,000 every single month working from the comfort of your home. So if you like this video, or if this video have been any help for you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I make the next video. So see you all in the next video. Until then, click the link and watch the training, and you will know how you can become valuable and how you can make $10,000 every single month. Boom.